Hello, how are you all? Fine? Very good. I'm here with this special video. In this video, I'm going to show you different types of angles. First type of angle is complementary angles. Now, as per the definition of complementary angles are concerned, two angles. Two angles are said to be complementary angles if their sum is 90 degrees. Let's take an example of marker pens. I have marker pens here. See, this is how much? It is 90 degree. If I put one more ray, you can say ray here. Now tell me, it is still 90. I will show you again. It is how much? It is 90. Now I am drawing one more arm in between. Still their sum is how much? 90. So these two angles we call complementary angles, and this angle only we call right angle, 90-degree angle. Okay, this is right angle, but if we put one more arm in between, we get two angles here. Now these two angles we call together, we call complementary angles. I hope you got it. Okay, now let's take second one. This is 90 degree, means two angles are said to be complementary angles. Their sum is 90 degrees. Good. Now let's take supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary angles if their sum is 180 degrees. Let's take an example. This is how much angle? If somebody asks you what is the angle of this line, this is a straight line, and what is the angle here? Tell me. Actually it is 180. See how? I will show you. You can guess this is how much. It is 20 or 30 degrees. Okay, now this is how much? 90 degree. Okay, this is how much? It is 120. You can guess easily 120. This is how much? You can say 160. Now this is how much? It is 180. It means angle formed on one side of the line. Angle formed on one side of the line is always 180 degrees. I have shown you how. So now you remember this fact always. Angle formed on one side of a line. On one side means on the above side or on the below side. So this always equal to 180. Now this is only one angle here, 180. Now I am putting one ray here. After putting one ray here, tell me, angle will remain same. Angle will remain same. It is like this. So angle is still, this whole angle is still 180. But how many angles are there? There are two angles. This is one angle and this other angle. It means two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180. I hope you got it. Okay, good. Now let's move to third one. This one. Adjacent angles. Two angles are said to be adjacent if they have common vertex. First of all, we'll say common vertex. See, this is how many angles are there? This is only one angle. So this vertex means this corner we call vertex. Okay, this is one arm and this is the other arm. Okay, or you can say ray, and this is common vertex here. Vertex means this. This is the vertex corner. Okay, now tell me, we are talking about adjacent angles. Good. So this is only one angle. Okay, now if you draw one more arm in between, one more ray is there. Now still corner remains same. It means there is only one vertex. So that's why we call common vertex. Common means there should be only one vertex. See, how many angles are there? Two angles, one angle and other angle. But these two angles are adjacent. Why? Because they have common vertex and there is a common arm. This one is a common arm. Okay, I will keep this one because this is green in color. You can easily observe this. So this green marker pen is common. Okay, this marker pen, this green marker pen is common. So this is a common arm here, common ray is here. So these two angles are adjacent because they have common vertex. Corner is there and there is a common arm. Okay, and one more thing is there in its definition. What is that? Non-common arms should be on the either side of the common arm. Means one non-common common arm should be on the right side and the other should be on the left side. Okay, so we call these two angles adjacent. I hope you got it. Thank you. And one more. Now the last. This is very important. What is it? Linear pair angles. Two angles. But we specially say two adjacent angles are said to be linear pair angles if their sum is 180 degrees. See how? It is simple. Already you know adjacent angles. These are adjacent angles. Okay. Now you do one thing. You keep common non-common arms like this. Why? Because they form a straight angle. When they form a straight angle, definitely their measure will be equal to how much? 180 degrees. See, this is straight line and you know the angle formed on straight line on one side of the line is equal to 180, so it is 180 degrees. Do one thing, you keep a common arm like this, so still it is how much? It is 180. So these two angles are already adjacent and their sum is 180. So these are two, so we call them specially, there is a special name for this drawing. What is that? Linear pair angles. I hope you got the lecture and everything is clear to you. Still if you have any doubt, please you can ask in the group. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye. Take